Hello students, let us continue problems on geometric progression. Next problem, find the sum to 20 terms. Find the sum to 20 terms. Find the sum to 20 terms of the geometric progression 0.15, comma 0.015, comma 0.0015 and so on. Once again question, find the sum to 20 terms. Means find the sum of first 20 terms of this GP. Find the sum to 20 terms of the GP. What is small a value? Small a is first term of the GP. That is 0.15. Now, what is common ratio R? R is equal to 0.015 divided by 0.15. That's equal to 15 divided by 150 is equal to 1 divided by 10. And in this case, what is n value? We need sum of first 20 terms, means n value 20. Now use Sn formula. Whether 1 by 10 is less than 1 or more than 1. 1 by 10 is clearly less than 1. If n is less than, sorry, not n, common ratio. If r value is less than 1, then what is Sn formula? Sn is equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r when r value is less than 1. For finding sum of first n terms of the GP, we have three formulas. First one, Sn equal to Na when n equal to, sorry, when r equal to 1, when common ratio value is 1, then sum of first n terms of the GP is n into a. When r value is less than 1, then Sn formula is a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. When r value is more than 1, then it will be a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. In this case, clearly 1 by 10, common ratio value 1 by 10, it is less than 1. Means formula is 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. We need sum of first 20 terms. So replace n value 20, S20. A value 0.15 into 1 minus 1 divided by 10 whole thing power 20. Whole thing divided by 1 minus 1 divided by 10. After that, I will write 0.15 can be written as 15 divided by 100. 15 divided by 100, 0.15 can be written as 15 divided by 100 into 1 minus 1 divided by 10 power 20. Whole thing divided by taking LCM. In the denominator, on taking LCM, it gives 9 divided by 10. 9 divided by 10. After that, 15 divided by 100 into denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator. On taking LCM, 10 power 20 minus 1 divided by 10 power 20. That's equal to 3 3s are 3 5s, 5 1s are 5 2s are. That's equal to 10 power 20 minus 1 or else 1 by 2 times. 1 by 2 remains as it is. 1 by 2 and it is 3. That is 1 by 6 into 10 power 20. This is sum of first 20 terms of this sequence. This is our required answer. After this, no need to simplify. 10 power 20 minus 1 divided by 10 power 20. This is enough. Next problem. Next problem. Find the sum to n terms of the geometric progression. Find the sum to n terms of the geometric progression. Root 7, comma, root 21, comma, 3 root 7 and so on. Find the sum to n terms of the geometric progression root 7, comma, root 21, comma, 3 root 7 and so on. In this case we need to find Sn, sum to n terms. What they have given? One of the geometric progression they have given, and in that what is small a value? First term, that is root 7. Now define common ratio R. Common ratio is root 21 divided by root 7. That's equal. After simplification, root 21 divided by root 7, it will be root 3. And in this case, we need to find Sn, sum to n terms only, not particular value. Use Sn formula. Root 3 whether it is less than 1 or more than 1. Root 3 value approximately 1.7. Root 3 is approximately 1.7 means clearly it is more than 1. When R value more than 1, then what is Sn formula? When R value more than 1, then Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 whole thing divided by R minus 1. Now replace all the values. A, what is A value? A is root 7 into what is R value? Root 3 whole thing power n minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. That's equal to root 7 into root 3 power n minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Just write this expression, or else you can simplify. Just rationalize the denominator. This is enough. Or else you can simplify. Just rationalizing denominator, root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Now denominator becomes a plus b and a minus b. A minus b into a plus b, it will be a square minus b square. Then root 7 into root 3 plus 1 into root 3 power n minus 1 whole thing divided by denominator is like a minus b into a plus b. It will be a square minus b square. Lastly we get root 7 in bracket root 3 power n minus 1 divided by 2. This is our required answer. Or else simply write this expression. No need to rationalize. If you want, then rationalize the denominator, then you get this expression. Next problem. Next problem. Find the sum to n terms of the geometric progression. Find the sum to n terms of the geometric progression x cube, comma, x power 5, comma, x power 7 and so on. Find the sum to n terms of this geometric progression. Find the sum to n terms of the geometric progression. Up to n means we need to find Sn value. A is equal to x cube, and what is common ratio? Term divided by its previous term. X power 5 divided by x cube. X power 5 divided by x cube gives x square, and in this case we need to find Sn. We don't know whether r value is less than 1 or more than 1. That is depends on x value. But one of the condition is given, x should not be plus 1 and should not be minus 1. One of the condition is given. But it may be less than 1, r value less than 1 or more than 1. We don't know what is r value, whether it is less than 1 or more than 1. So you can use any one of the formula, either r is less than 1 formula or r is more than 1 formula. You can use any one of the formula. Why? Because we don't know x value. Because x square, whether x square is less than 1 or more than 1, we don't know x square value. So you can use any one of the formula, either less than 1 formula or more than 1. As your convenience, you can use any one of the formula. Sn equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Or else you can use one more formula, that is a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. You can use any one of the formula. Why? Because we don't know what is value of x square. A is x cube into what is r? R is x square power n minus 1 whole thing divided by x square minus 1. That's equal to x cube in bracket x power 2n minus 1 divided by x square minus 1. This is our required sum. Sum to n terms of this geometric progression. Next problem. Next problem. Find the sum of first n terms and the sum of first 5 terms of the geometric series. It may be series or a sequence. Find the sum of first n terms and the sum of first 5 terms of the geometric series. Instead of sequence, series is given. Series 1 plus 2 divided by 3 plus 4 divided by 9 plus and so on. Find the nth term and find the sum of first n terms and sum of first 5 terms. Sum to n terms and sum to first 5 terms. Sum of first 5 terms and sum of first n terms. In this case, what is small a? First term, that is first term of the GP, small a. In this case, what is common ratio? Common ratio term divided by its previous term, that is 2 divided by 3. Whether 2 by 3 is less than 1 or more than 1? Clearly less than 1. 2 divided by 3, clearly it is less than 1. And we need to find Sn value and S5 value. Now, first write Sn. Sn equal to what is formula? A into whether r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 or 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. In this case, r value less than 1. So, formula is 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. Why? Because r is less than 1. If r is less than 1, sum of first n terms is. Then next What is a value? 1 into 1 minus 2 divided by 3 whole thing power n divided by 1 minus 2 by 3. Just taking LCM. Taking LCM and denominator becomes in the numerator. And taking LCM, it will be 3 minus 2 divided by 3. Denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator. 3 into 1 minus 2 divided by 3 whole thing power n. This is sum of first n terms. After that we need S5 means sum of first 5 terms. Then second question, we need to find S5. S5 is equal to A into 1 minus R power 5 divided by 1 minus R. Implies replace R value, A value and N value. N value is given, that is 5. Next, what is A? A is 1 into 1 minus 2 divided by 3 whole thing power 5 divided by 1 minus 2 by 3 and taking LCM. 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 by 3 denominator becomes in the numerator. 3 into 1 minus 2 power 5 divided by 3 power 5, that's equal to 3 into 3 power 5, 3 power 4 is 81, 3 power 5, 3 power 5 is 243, 1 minus 32 divided by 243. Now taking LCM, and taking LCM, 3 into 243 minus 32 divided by 243. After that, usual simplification. 243 minus 32, 3 into 211 divided by 243, that's equal to 211 divided by 81. 211 divided by 81 is our required answer. Sum of first 5 terms is 211 divided by 81. Next problem. Next problem. How many terms of the GP? How many terms of the GP? 3, 3 by 2, 3 by 4 and so on are needed. How many terms of the GP are needed to give the sum? Are needed to give the sum, are needed to give the sum 3069 divided by 512. How many terms are needed to give the sum 3069 divided by 512? How many terms are needed to give the sum 3069 divided by 512? How many terms are needed to give the sum 369 divided by 512? Sum means use SN formula. A equal to 3. Then what is common ratio R value? Term divided by its previous term. That is 3 divided by 2 divided by 3. That's equal to 1 by 2. Clearly it is less than 1. 1 by 2 is less than 1. Then in this case what they have given, Sn value they given. Sn is 3069 divided by 512. Now use Sn formula. Sn is equal to, in this case R value less than 1. So Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. Why? Because R is less than 1. Now 3069 divided by 512 equal to A value 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 whole to the power n divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2. Next 3069 divided by 512 is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 whole to the power n divided by 1 by 2. Denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator, or else denominator of denominator becomes in the numerator. Just cross multiplication. On cross multiplication, 3069 divided by 512 into, just cross multiply 1 by 2 is equal to 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power n. After that 3069 divided by 512 into 2 is 1024. That's equal to 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power n. After that now take this 3 into LHS, then it divides. So 3069 divided by 1024 into 1 by 3, that's equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power n. Now usual simplification, 3 ones are 3s are 10 2 3, then 1023 divided by 1024 is equal to 1 minus 1 divided by 2 power n. Just rearrangement, send it to RHS. 1 divided by 2 power n is equal to 1 minus 1023 divided by 1024. Then 1 divided by 2 power n is equal to, taking LCM, 1024 minus 1023, it will be 1 divided by 1024. Then I will write 2 power n is equal to 1024. Then 2 power n is equal to, write 1024 in terms of power of 2, that is 2 power 10. Bases are equal, hence powers are equal, that is 10. 10 terms are needed to give the sum 3069 divided by 512. We need 10 terms to get sum as 3069 divided by 512. We need 10 terms. How many terms are needed to give the sum 3069 divided by 512 is 10 terms. Next problem. Next problem. Next problem, how many terms of GP, how many terms of GP, 3, 3 square, 3 cube, and so on are needed to give the sum 120. To needed to give the sum 120. How many terms are needed to give the sum 120? One second question. How many terms of GP 3, 3 square, 3 cube, and so on are needed to give the sum 120? Sum 120 means Sn they have given. Sn is equal to 120. And what is first term A? That is 3. And what is common ratio R? Term divided by its previous term. 3 square by 3 is 3 only. Means R is more than 1. Apply Sn formula. Sn equal to formula. What is Sn formula? Sn equal to A into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Why? Because R is more than 1. In this case, Sn value given, that is 120, is equal to, what is A? First term, that is 3. 3 into R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Sorry, R is also known. R is 3. That is 3 power n minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. After that, 120 equal to 120 is equal to 3 into 3 power n minus 1 divided by 2, just cross multiplication. Just cross multiplication, 120 into 2, that's equal to 3 into 3 power n minus 1. 3 power n minus 1. After that, 3 power n minus 1 equal to 120 into 2 divided by 3. Then 3 power n minus 1 equal to 3 ones are 340. 40 into 2 is 80. Then 3 power n is equal to 81. Implies 3 power n is equal to 3 power 4. Therefore, n equal to 4. We need 4 terms to get sum as 120. 4 terms. N equal to 4 means we need 4 terms to get sum as 120. Next problem. Next problem. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 16. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of next 3 terms is 128. Determine the first term, common ratio and the sum of n terms of the GP. Once again question. The sum of first 3 terms of a GP is 16 and the sum of next 3 terms is 128. Determine the first term, common ratio and the sum of first n terms. What they have given? Sum of first 3 terms is 16. Sum of first 3 terms means T1 plus T2 plus T3 is equal to 16. Sum of first 3 terms is 16 and sum of next 3 after 3 means 4th plus 5th plus 6th is also given. That is next 3 terms means T4 plus T5 plus T6 is 128. This is given condition. Find the first term, common ratio and sum of first n terms. Now, what is T1? T1 is nothing but first term small a. What is T2? T2 is A into R. What is T3? A into R square is equal to 16. Take this as equation number 1. After that, what is T4? T4 is A into R cube plus what is T5? A into R power 4. What is T6? A into R power 5, that's equal to 128. Take this as equation number 2. Now using 1 and 2, find A value and R value. Just dividing 1 and 2. Consider equation number 1 divided by equation number 2. Then it gives A plus AR plus AR square whole thing divided by A into R power 3 plus A into R power 4 plus A into R power 5 equal to 1 divided by, that is 16 divided by 120. Now A plus AR plus AR square whole thing divided by, in the denominator I will take R cube common, remains with A plus AR plus AR square, that's equal to 16 ones are 16 eights are 1 divided by 8. Then these two expressions will get cancelled. In the numerator A plus AR plus AR square, in the denominator also A plus AR plus AR square. Then what is remaining? 1 divided by R cube. 1 divided by R cube is equal to 1 divided by 8, implies R cube is equal to 8, then it gives R is equal to 2. R equal to 2. After getting R value, put R value in any one of the equation, then you get first term A. After getting R value, put R value in any one of the equation, either in 1 or in 2. Put R is equal to 2 in equation number 1, or else you can put it in equation number 2. Then A plus 2 times A. Why? Because R value is 2 plus R square means 4A, that's equal to 16. Now 3, that is 7. 7 times A equal to 16. Then A value is 16 divided by 7. A equal to 16 divided by 7. Simply replace R value. A remains as it is. R is 2. R value 2 means 2A. 2 square means 4A. 4A plus 2A. 6A plus A is 7A equal to 16. After getting A value, find the sum to n terms. We need to find first term, common ratio and sum of first n term. Already we have common ratio and first term. What is next? We need to find Sn, sum to n terms, Sn formula. What is Sn formula? Clearly R is more than 1. R is more than 1 means R power n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. Then 16 divided by 7 A value into 2 power n minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. After that 16 divided by 7 into 2 power n minus 1. This is our required sum. It is sum to n terms, and this is first term and common ratio. These are our requirements. Find the sum to n terms, first term and common ratio. Thank you.